Here is Chief Meteorologist Chris Boone, sponsored by Billy Black HVAC and Carrier.
And so a few isolated showers move across the Concho Valley throughout the day today. Again, very isolated in nature, and didn't see a lot of rain totals with it, but again, most places saw anywhere below a tenth of an inch to some spots seeing trace. We didn't see anything out at the airport, so recorded zeros for us at Mathis Field, but we did see a little bit on the cactus cam. So again, a little bit of trace in towards downtown San Angelo. Again, seeing some of that rain, and it wasn't, again, very heavy showers that kind of moved through the area. Started in towards the southwestern parts of the Concho Valley, kind of moved across the area throughout the day, and now just in the past hour, again, still hanging on to some showers out towards the Mason area, but once those push out of the area here in the next hour or so, we'll start to be fairly dry. In fact, we've already kind of started to see those clouds break up if you were looking off towards the west, seeing that nice sunset. Otherwise, again, this whole system really kind of pushing off towards the northeast. Again, with it taking that instability as well as those rain showers, and then we'll see those clear skies kind of build in back behind it. It's going to allow us for those warmer temperatures just in time to kind of ring in the new year. We did see kind of a quick layer of water on the roadways out in downtown, but otherwise, again, didn't see a whole lot of rain. We are seeing those skies starting to clear up as we're looking at a cactus cam off towards the north, and temperatures, well, already cooling down into the mid-50s, 54 degrees, dew points into the 40s. Those winds still fairly light. Those are going to start to pick up out of the southwest as we go in towards tomorrow afternoon. So could still see some of those breezy conditions for us on Saturday. 50s for the majority of the area, 50 in Brady, 50 in Coleman as well, 55 in El Dorado, 57 for both Merton as well as Big Lake. So again, those temperatures are going to kind of cool back down into those low 40s, and we'll continue to clear skies out throughout the area. Again, the 10% chance of rain, that's mostly just going to be for Mason. Once that shower moves out of the area, we'll see it drop back down to 0 as we dry out heading in towards your Saturday. And those temperatures are really going to start to warm up as well. Much warmer into the low 70s. Winds start to pick up. Could see some gusts up to 25 miles per hour. And then we kind of redo the entire pattern all over again for early next week. Again, we'll stay fairly clear for both Saturday and Sunday, but then we see another system kind of coming in from the west, very similar setup to what we saw with this last system. So we could see some very isolated rain chances possible on Monday, but they're going to be very similar in nature. So again, not expecting any significant or widespread rain, but could see a little bit of a trace anywhere between less than tenth of an inch for any rain accumulation. Again, the better rain chances really kind of start to fire up out in towards parts of East Texas. And again, fairly quiet conditions back behind that system as well. We'll actually see a kind of a change back into some cooler temperatures. We'll see a deviation from the 70s that we've been seeing for the weekend. And we'll see those cooler temperatures work their way in towards the area. That's going to drop those afternoon highs back down into the 60s. It's going to be a little bit closer to average for where we should be as we ring in the new year. So again, a little bit of a warm-up, 70s for New Year's Day, actually. And we'll see those winds kind of pick up with that next system making its arrival, dropping those temperatures back down into the 60s as we go through the next week.